Welcome to PatchKit, your go-to independent game distribution service. Experience world-class game delivery with a fully customizable launcher, file hosting, and CDN included. Let's walk through the steps to help you get started and publish your first game. Don't worry, it's straightforward, but a guiding hand never hurts, does it? To begin, click on the New Application button. From the displayed options, click on the New Game button. You'll now be on the New Application form. Here, you can set your game's internal name, choose its target platform, and decide if this is a public or internal release. A game set to public releases result in smaller packages, while internal ones process more rapidly. And rest assured, you can modify all these settings later, except for the target platform. Proceeding forward, you'll have the option to upload your game's zip file. Ensure this package contains all essential files for your game to run smoothly. Once uploaded, take a moment, perhaps enjoy a cup of coffee, as PatchKit works its magic. Post-processing, you might receive notifications about the outcome. For instance, your game's package might have undergone some sanitization, but if there's a significant error with your package, PatchKit will alert you. After all, our priority is to ensure nothing you upload has issues on a player's PC or Mac. Before hitting publish, double-check if PatchKit detected your executable name correctly. This is especially important if your package contains multiple executables. If all appears well, confidently click the Publish button. While your game is in the process of being published, you have the option to cancel. But remember, once published, the only way to undo is by launching a new release that reverts changes or by deleting the entire application. Lastly, grab your game's launcher. Every game on PatchKit comes with its own launcher. To access it, click the Get Launcher button. On the following page, hit Download Now. Now, you can test your launcher. When you're happy with it, go to the distribution page. There, you'll find the download links that you can copy and share over the internet. These links will allow anyone to download your launcher. Players only need to download this launcher once. It automatically updates the game to its latest version each time. And voila! That's all there is to it. Should you encounter any bumps along the way, our comprehensive documentation is here to help. Or you can always reach out to our friendly support team. You may find the links in this video description below.